Mazagon Dock, the country's premier defense shipyard, continues to build world-class warships and submarines to meet the requirements of the Indian Navy. Designing futuristic warships is guided by a vision. Brainstorming and simulation help overcome production challenges and deliver quality ships on time. ERP solutions integrate all shipyard processes. Three-dimensional design software like Tribon facilitates transfer of data to the shop floor, ensuring accuracy in varied facets of shipbuilding. Shivalik class frigates being built at Mazagon Dock are the first indigenously designed stealth warships. Stealth features help reduce the signatures of a ship and its consequent detection. A new era in shipbuilding. With the commissioning of Shivalik, India joins the elite club of countries with the capability to build advanced stealth warships.
India gets its own stealth warship. The indigenously manufactured INS Shivalik was commissioned into the Navy today. Prachi Chaitanya with that story.
She weighs a massive 6,000 tons but can sail the seas nimbler than a shark. And she can hoodwink the enemy thanks to a low radar profile. INS Shivalik is the first of India's indigenously made stealth frigates.
A lethal mix of weapons and sensors, there is no limit to what Shivalik can do in combat. A generation ahead of any warship ever built in India. A legacy of shipbuilding carried forward since the year 1774. Mazagon Dock was taken over by the Government of India in the year 1960 with the primary objective of building ships for the Indian Navy. Since then, Mazagon Dock has built many classes of sophisticated warships, the first being the Leander class. Nilgiri, the first Leander warship, was adapted and successively advanced with 5 other ships of the same class. 3 Godavari class frigates that followed bear testimony to Mazagon Dock evolving as a premier yard for designing and building warships. Indian naval ship Kirch, a power-packed missile corvette, is an advancement over the previously built corvettes Kukri and Kuthar. Missile boat Prabal followed Vibhuti, Vipul and Nashak. Global acknowledgement came with the commissioning of the 3 Delhi-class destroyers. Kolkata is the first of the 3 upgraded follow-on destroyers of the celebrated Delhi class. This was followed by Kochi and Chennai using a pontoon-assisted technique to aid buoyancy and overcome tidal and weight restrictions. On 14th May 2010, Mazagon Dock celebrated 50 glorious years as a public sector undertaking in the service of the nation. Employees were felicitated on the occasion. Ships built here have been appreciated across the globe and have brought pride and glory to the nation. India's triumph in acquiring advanced defense capabilities and building a blue water navy. This shipyard's commitment to shipbuilding has saved the nation precious foreign exchange and dependence on imports. This millennium has witnessed hectic activity at Mazagon Dock. Stealth frigates of the Shivalik class and Kolkata class destroyers are under construction. Having built 2 submarines, Shalki and Shankul, this yard bagged a prestigious order to build 6 advanced submarines with technology transfer from DCNS of France and Naventia of Spain. Knowledge is a long-term investment for building competence in developing the next generation of submarines. Mazagon Dock has been able to optimally utilize and upgrade its submarine building assembly lines. Building these submarines demands exponential advancement in design and fabrication. The pressure hull is the structure that protects men and equipment in the deep. To survive intense pressure, the welding of joints in the hull need to be flawless. As submarines are extremely complex machines, building them demands specialized skills. Scorpene uses special steel that reduces its weight and enables it to dive deep and remain submerged for extended periods. Building with this steel involves expertise and precision in engineering processes and welding techniques. Scorpene achieves an impressive operational cycle, and its low radiated noise reduces the risk of detection by hostile sensors. By exploiting its potential and strategic geographical advantage, the shipyard has built a variety of other specialized craft. 7 Coast Guard ships of the Vikram class were designed and built here. Other accomplishments of this yard include building river surveillance craft and complex dredgers. A specialized sand dredger was built for a French colony. 2 multi-purpose support vessels for a foreign client are under production. Mazagon Dock has also specialized in the repair and refit of warships, submarines and commercial vessels, besides executing heavy engineering ventures and bullets for Indian Oil Corporation. Fabricated offshore structures and platforms for ONGC contribute to oil exploration. Mazagon Dock's excellence has been acknowledged by the industry and the government. Current engagements at Mazagon Dock make it one of the busiest warship building yards in the world. Orders for 4 follow-on destroyers of the Kolkata class and 4 stealth frigates of the Shivalik class are in an advanced stage of negotiations. To meet the demands of changing times, Mazagon Dock has embarked upon an intensive modernization program. This involves extended slipways, a new wet basin, a Goliath crane and a modular workshop. To build for a secure future in the shortest possible time. Mazagon Dock.